Welcome to the second half of the second week. We move into more of those health promoting behaviors. So these are going to be things that really amplify and set up our healthy lifestyle and what those behaviors look like. So this week you will be responsible for reading the chapter, going through that smart book reading. Watch and read the additional content that I've provided. You'll complete the quiz. There's a lab associated with it. And then watch everything and read everything in the ethics module. And then you're going to have an ethics module quiz. So due on the 2nd, it will go over what that quiz, I'm sorry, on the 2nd, you'll have a quiz over everything in the ethics module, and you'll have to identify, based on different scenarios or situations, what ethical viewpoint it is considering. And then you'll continue journaling. So you should have, at the end of the 2B week, you should have 5 journal posts total. And then again, keep preparing for that first exam. Yep, it will be in week 3. So it's a pretty major exam, and they're not necessarily easy. I do have opportunities for extra credit throughout the term, but it is something that you will want to study for and be prepared for. They are timed, so you should have a rough idea of the material. Don't go in blind thinking that you can just look up the information. You should have a general knowledge of the information from the chapters. The exams are over the chapters and not over the supplemental reading or videos that we watch in the semester, just because I know that is a question that I do get asked a lot. Okay, so everything that you can find in the health promoting behaviors folder. So this health promotion, this is the link where you can find the different videos and reading articles that I have selected. And then you'll have the behaviors, health promoting behaviors smart book, the quiz, and then the energy expenditure and body image lab. So you'll have all of those due. And then this is the continuation of the ethics module readings, just to familiarize yourself with the different viewpoints, and then you'll have the quiz. And again, you'll have the journaling link here, so you can go straight to the journals. It will be open as soon as March 27th hits. So you'll just continue, it's a continuation basically of the 2A folder. We just move into a new chapter from health behaviors to health promoting behaviors. So let me know if you have any questions about any of this, but all of the information and all of the assignments in this folder is due on April 2nd at 11:59. So hopefully you have a good week, and I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with. Thanks.